to another late nights with Arie. So yeah, y'all, welcome back to my channel. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another cooking video. Today we are going to be doing seafood. I can't really say that this is a seafood boil because I'm actually going to be using the oven for this, like a little bit of the oven and a little bit of the stove top. So I really don't know what to say. But we're going to just say it's a seafood boil. But I am going to be making snow crab, guys. Cajun snow crab. It's one of my favorites. I absolutely love me some seafood. If you don't know, now you know. I love me some seafood. Today I am wearing this beautiful purple. You guys may remember this, but I actually wore this in a try-on haul a while back. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. It's cute. Absolutely love it. I like the thong in the back. It's so cute and it's flattering. I just like it. You know what I'm saying? One time for the plus size girls. Two times for the plus size girls. Three times for the plus size girls. Hey! But anyway, guys, before we get into this tutorial, if you are new to the channel, please do take some time to subscribe. Make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and leave some comments down below. Okay, so I already washed and cleaned out my little crab. You know, that took some time. I did not record that process because the girl was doing other things. So this is what the crab actually looked like. It's a snow crab. So it's nice and clean. I went ahead and just put it in like this little baking pan that I had because it's just me. So I felt like I didn't really need no big old container because literally it's just me eating this. There's nobody home. It's just me, myself, and I. That's all I got at the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry, took a vow. Cause from now on, I'ma be my own best friend. Okay. Okay. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, guys. I got a cup of butter. And what, can y'all see? Y'all can see. What I'm gonna do is just pour. This is literally like one stick of butter that I just melted in the microwave. And I'm just gonna pour this over top of this crab, guys, just like that. This is just a simple, easy recipe, guys. This is so easy to follow, and you can kind of tweak it, you know, tweak it the way that you like. I'm gonna go in with some ground cayenne pepper, and I'm just gonna season the top of this crab like that. Oh, I didn't even tell you all the seasoning. So we have the ground cayenne pepper, then I have Cajun seasoning, seasoned salt, garlic powder, I have my Old Bay, and then I have my onion salt. So those are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. Usually when I do like my boils and stuff, I do use like minced garlic and stuff like that. For some reason, when I went to the store, I went to 2 stores, could not find any. Like, I don't know what's going on. So unfortunately, that's not in this recipe, but I do highly recommend putting that into your recipe. But like I said, I'm going to go in with that Cajun first. And I do like spice, okay? And all these seasonings I'm going to put in my butter sauce as well. So there goes the Cajun. I'm going to put that to the side so I don't double dip. Now I'm going to do the garlic powder. And I'm just seasoning the top, guys. The garlic powder. Oh, this is not even open. This is a brand new batch. Batch. This is a brand new batch. Okay. Let's start this cook. And then my seasoned salt. I like a lot of seasonings, guys. And what this does is while it's cooking, all those flavors just roll around in that butter. It saturates and it's just so good together. Cajun. Is this a brand new bottle too? Y'all, I've been using the same seasonings. Like literally. Okay, so it's like halfway open. I'm just going to do it like this. And I feel like I'm about to sneeze. I always gotta sneeze when I do seasonings. Am I the only person that does that? Like when you season your food, you literally gotta sneeze? Like, or maybe I be over seasoning. Look. It is not a cooking video. The Ariel Moore don't sneeze. If I don't sneeze, y'all know I ain't seasoning my food. But now the Obey. That looks good. Oh, I hate that I gotta cook it still. A little bit of salt. Bam, a little bit of salt. Put it in my hand so I don't do too much with the salt. And then the onion salt. Sprinkle that on here. Just like that. So that's the first step. All I have to do is put foil over this. Let me show y'all how it's looking. My oven's ready. It's already preheated to 350 degrees. So this is nice and seasoned. The butter's in here. Make sure before you put it into the oven that you do cover it with some foil because you really want it to steam. So, and if you don't cover it with foil, the shell will actually dry out and it's not good when it dries out. So this is gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, guys. But while that is actually cooking, we're gonna get into the other stuff. So let's go. Okay, so I went ahead and cut up like 2 to 3 red potatoes, and I literally just cut them in half. And then I have me 2 pieces of corn because like I said, it's just me, so I really don't need a lot. We're gonna go ahead and start to boil these. That way it's ready at the same time that the snow crab is ready. And I actually use chicken broth to actually boil these instead of like water. Some people use like orange juice. Sometimes I do use orange juice. Don't get it twisted. But we're gonna do chicken broth today. So right here I have my pan or my pot, and I'm just gonna literally just pour the entire thing inside of here. The chicken broth just gives the potatoes and the corn really, really good flavor. Like, if you don't know, now you know. So I'm just gonna use 1 quart of this and then literally just place the potatoes in here. It's so simple, so easy. This is gonna boil for probably like 10 to 15 minutes and then it's gonna be pretty much done, guys. So that's gonna be in there. Typically what people like to do when they do their boils and stuff, like with the potato and corn, you can throw in the same seasonings. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want my food to have too much of seasonings on them. Too many. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I'm just not gonna do it, okay? The chicken broth, it has its own stuff in it, okay? So there's no need to add any more. But what we do need to do next is go ahead and fry our sausage. I do have my eggs boiling right here in the back, so that's good. That's literally almost done. So the half of the batter was literally almost done, guys. Like, you can literally make this for yourself whenever you feel like it. So let's go ahead and get these sausages. So here is the sausage. I pretty much just cut everything to my own liking. So this is the size that I like. And the reason why I like this size is because I can like scoop up like the sauce and stuff and just nibble on it. I like it that way. And then I did cut me up half an onion because, you know, I'm not making a big batch, so I didn't really have to use, I didn't even use the whole pack of sausage either, and I didn't use the whole onion. So keep that in mind, y'all. Like, if you can find some products that's already cut up to where it just feeds just you, then get that, because yeah. But it's not gonna go to waste because I have a big family, so I can literally can make it for them another time. But I took off my eggs. The eggs is actually done, so I got my eggs cooling in cold water. And I do that because it's just easier to peel out the shell. I am not the best person when it comes to peeling eggs, y'all. My eggs sometimes be looking horrible. You may see it in this video, like, but I put my corn and my potatoes on the back burner because I like my back burners better than the front. So I'm glad I was able to rotate that around. But I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this sausage in here. I want to make sure that everybody likes their sausages different. This is smoked sausage and it's skinless, so it don't have any skin on it. And I'm just gonna toast the bottom up for probably like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes before I actually start mixing it around. And then we'll go in with the onions and then kind of add like the butters and all the seasonings and stuff in there. So I'll use this one pan here for like my butter sauce and everything to kind of pour over my snow crab. So we're gonna let that cook for a couple of minutes until it gets brown to my liking, guys. Do it how you want to do it. I like mine a little burnt, so it's gonna be a little burnt. And yeah, so I'll be right back. So my sausage is burnt the way that I like it. Y'all thought I was playing when I said I want my sausage burnt. You can't beat burnt sausage. Like, this is what I mean. One side nice and burnt. I will not BSing, y'all. I gotta work on cussing. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my onion. Let that onion cook down for a little bit. I'm just gonna let the onion cook down for probably like a minute or two, not that long, because I want it to really soak into that butter sauce that we are going to make here in a second. So I'm just kind of moving everything around. This is what it's looking like so far, guys. Yeah. I love burnt sausage. Like, sometimes when I go to like restaurants, like seafood places, and I'll get like a seafood boil bag and my sausage isn't burnt, I eat it because I like it, but at the same time I'll be like, I really like burnt sausage. Like, can I ask the chef to burn it? But obviously probably not. Probably not. But yeah, so that's gonna cook for 1 more minute and then I'll be back. Okay, so guys, I am back. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this butter into this pan. So I'm just gonna scoop a bunch of butter out, y'all. Like a bunch. Cause y'all know once the butter melts, it don't even be that much. So I'm scooping probably about half of this container out. And I'm actually using a cake mixer. I really think it's easier using this for some reason. So yeah, just do whatever you feel like works best for you. I want a lot of butter sauce. So like I said, about half of this, literally half is already gone. And I'm just gonna kind of melt that butter down. So now at this point, I want to go ahead and turn my temperature down to probably like 2. I don't want it to burn. Oh, some of my onions kind of flipped out. And I'm just like smashing the butter and stuff down, mixing it in. And it's going to melt and stuff and make it easier to mix. So we're going to let that butter kind of cook down for just a bit. And then we're going to season that up in just a second. Okay, so I cooked the butter down just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and take this opportunity to season everything. I'm going to start off with the garlic powder. This is where you start to season it to your liking. I love to taste my seasonings in my seafood boil, so I'm gonna put a good amount in. Cajun, and I'm just gonna tell you guys the name so that you guys don't really forget what I'm using. A good amount of Cajun. Cajun's the color and the spice. Well, this is the cayenne pepper. Sorry, same thing. It's all the same. Forgot this one has the top on it. This is the Cajun. Good amount of Cajun. Ew. If you feel like your sauce is too spicy, add some brown sugar and cinnamon, like a teaspoon, not a lot. My seasoned salt, my onion. This is my onion salt. My Old Bay. I'm gonna put probably the rest of this in there. I'm gonna put a good amount of Old Bay. And actually, I'm going to stay away from the actual salt itself. And then I'm just going to kind of mix it in. This part for me is always really messy. So I'm going to try to move slow. Now, this be messy for real. Like, I'm just going to kind of move it around. Let it mix at its own pace. And everything literally is almost done. So this literally takes under 30 minutes to kind of like finish. So it's not that bad. And then what? Ooh, I told y'all I'll be making a mess. And at that point, I just let everything kind of cook together. I'm gonna give everything about another 10, probably another 10-15 minutes to kind of really just finish cooking. And then we're gonna mix everything into that pan with the snow crab, and then we're gonna taste it. So I'll be back. And I just want to show y'all how good this looks by itself. It's so hot, y'all. I do not want to burn myself, but I just wanted to do this on camera. Ooh, that looks so good. Wow. Let's go ahead and add everything. Okay. Okay. This looks so good, y'all. So I'm just about to place my corn. I'm just going to use my little spatula thing. Put my corn and potatoes in here. Yummy. Yes. And I like my potatoes. I don't want my potatoes to be mushy. So, yeah, keep an eye out on that because it's like perfectly cooked. My corn. Y'all, it looks so good. Let me move that to the side. Do y'all see this? I know it ain't too close, but do y'all see this? Okay. Okay. Now, the butter sauce. I'm so scared to do this. This is the scary part. I ain't scared, Grandpa. Ah! Whoa! Okay, I made too much butter. Let me just scrape. It's already half full. I gotta scrape the sausages out of here though. Just like that. I need some onions. Give me them onions though. Okay? Yeah, y'all gotta be careful. Y'all gotta be careful. Your girl almost made a mess. Let me show y'all what I'm about to do. Yes, that looks good. That looks good. I told y'all I love me my spices. I throw a little bit on the top. At this point, I don't care if I'm making a mess, because your girl's ready to eat. I'm gonna throw that on there. Let me move some of this because I gotta take a picture. Oh, and we gotta get the egg. Hold on. Y'all, look how good I peeled my eggs. I'm so proud of me. I'm so proud of me. Ooh, let me show y'all. This is too much for me. I'm over here talking about I'm trying to make a small amount, and it's still a lot. It's still a lot. Look at that. Yummy, guys. We are about to try it. So let me take a few pictures because I need my little thumbnail photos and stuff and some for my Instagram. And then we're going to try it on camera. I want to eat an egg first. Let's see. It's perfectly cooked. You gotta have that butter on there. It's so... I'm gonna try this sausage, y'all. I need to slow down. I gotta swallow that egg whole. I love burnt sausage. I can't stress that enough. I can't stress that enough. I'm trying the potato. And it's not too much. Like, it's a really good balance. Yes. It's so hot. Let me see how this crab tastes. The snow crab. Nice and juicy. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I hate that the stores right now only have like little tiny crabs and stuff. 'Cause I really love king crab. That's my go-to. But you gotta work with what you got these days. You know, since COVID and stuff, like everybody just, everything's different. Yes. Only thing about snow crab is just a small, tiny bit of meat. But the flavor is there. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna have to try the corn for y'all too before I let y'all go. I gotta dip that in there. Y'all, this is so good. This is so good. I would sit here and eat this whole thing. Yeah, I probably will. This is good. This is corn. I love corn. Yeah. I forgot y'all was there for a minute. Oh my. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your girl gotta eat. This is so good. Hope you decide to try it. It's perfect. But until next time, guys. Bye. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I have corn on my teeth. But yeah. Bye, guys.